Chief Bitcoin in the house, baby. Bitcoin against the US dollar. Whoa. 53,700. Okay, so we got a new all-time high here. And I'm very, very happy because I'm invested in Bitcoin. Who wouldn't be happy? Okay. You know what makes me really happy is, even more happy is this. This thing here on the monthly chart has just finally crossed over. You know, and I'm expecting, let's move this over a bit. I'm expecting this to come up like this. And price action is just going to go to the moon, of course. Where is it going to end? I mean, okay, when it comes up like this, where's the price going to be? I mean, I'm almost thinking that this thing could go to 500,000. That's what I'm thinking. Because fund managers are just pouring money into this. They're getting, you know, the go-ahead to invest other people's money in their funds. So they're just pouring money into Bitcoin right now. Let's take a look at the different time frames here. Let's check the weekly. There's the weekly. There's the daily. Beautiful. New all-time high. Look at this. Oh man. You know, on this daily, I thought this thing was going to come down. At least come down and do an oscillation. It just keeps going up, which is fantastic. You know, thank you, fund managers, for finally coming around and understanding that this is an important asset. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Now, I don't know if you saw my video last week. I was saying, might have been just a few days ago, 4 or 5 days ago, I said there was incredible divergence here, which there is, and then I said this thing's going to fire up that way, which it's doing. When this turned, I said it's going to fire up there, and that's exactly what's happening. That's what happens. So it looks good on the 4-hour. I'm just overjoyed and excited about this. You know, when you're invested in something like this, let's go and check out my biggest stock investment, DMGI, or the call letters, DMG Blockchain Solutions. Now, this was 33% of my stock holdings when I bought it a couple days ago, and now it's quite a bit more percentage of my stock holdings, because this is the major. Now it makes up 41% of my portfolio. Before, when I bought into it the first time a couple days ago, it was 33% of my portfolio, and now it's 41% of my portfolio. It's going up so fast. Today it's up 17%. You can see there. Now, what am I going to do with this one? You know, this is really exciting because we're at an all-time high here. You know, here was the previous all-time high, and now we've exceeded that in the last 2 days. What's going to happen with it? You know, I've decided what I'm going to do with this is I'm not even going to day trade this. I'm not going to swing trade it or anything, because I don't want to make any mistakes. I want to, I'm thinking I'm just going to hold this for the next year. Why? Because, you know, this is going to be going up for the next year. So if Bitcoin's going up for the next year, I'm thinking that these other, blockchain stocks, blockchain stocks on the stock market, like here's one, Long Blockchain Corporation. You can see this one. This is the monthly chart here. And you can see there's big gains on this one. Here's Riot Blockchain. Look at that. Here's Bitfarms. Okay, these are all blockchain. This one is, I think it's farming here. They're doing transactions. They're mining. Okay, so here's mine. This is the one that I just bought into a couple days ago. Fantastic. Here's Plug Power, by the way. But okay, that's not, Plug Power is not, doesn't have anything to do with blockchain. Hive. Look at Hive is up 13% today. So I'm just thinking that these are just gonna, for the next year, these are gonna go up. They're gonna continue to go up. That's what I feel. Okay, like, I don't know I'm not giving, this is not financial advice, by the way. Not by any stretch of the imagination. I would never do that. Let's check this one out, BCII. I told everybody about this. You can check out my video of this from like a month ago. And I was saying this one's going to the moon. And it's looking like it's going to the moon. It's starting to look like it. I mean, I would have told everybody about this one down here. And now it's doing exactly as I say. It's going up in price. You know what I like about this one is you look down here. That's turning down. That's pointing down. This green, at the end of it, it's pointing down, but price action's going the opposite way. That's good. That's divergence. That's really intense divergence. And that's what it looks like now on the weekly. So I couldn't buy into this one because it's an over-the-counter, and my stockbroker just doesn't offer it. Okay, give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell. It's the bell beside the subscribe button. You got to be notified of my videos. Okay. My stocks are up big time. I mean, in the last 3 months, I'm up 60% on my stocks. Okay, so if you would have been following all of my stocks, and I don't suggest you do that, but if you had been following all of my stocks, you'd be up 60% in the last 3 months. So I want everybody to have a fantastic day.